Hello students, welcome to my online classes. Today we are going to discuss the poem The Road Not Taken, that is composed by Robert Frost. Robert Frost was an American poet who is highly regarded for his realistic depiction of rural life. He, his works frequently employed settings from rural life in England, in the early 20th century. The present poet Road Not Taken is about the choice. It deals with the concept of choice in our life. He just take the example of two road that is diverged in the jungle. So let's read the poem and discuss the poem in detail. The first stanza: the two roads diverged in a yellow wood here refers to forest. Two roads diverged means there is two roads, there is two options which he found in the forest. Two parts separated. And sorry, the writer, the poet is telling that he was sorry that he can't travel on both roads. This is very natural. One can choose only one option. Can't travel in the as a traveler, he can't travel into both roads. So and be one traveler. As a traveler, he just stood at long and looked down one as far as I could. He just tried to analyzing which is the better option, which road is the easiest, the easier than the others or familiar than the others, and looked down one as far as I could. Means he's telling there that he just tried to analyzing the densest, the innerest part of the forest to where it bent in the under. Means he tried his best to look at the densest part of the forest and just try to understand which is the better option. Then took the other as fast as fear. Then took the other. He just talking about the other option, the other road, that is fear, seeming fear, and having perhaps the better way. According to poet, this is the better option and which he could claim because it was grassy and wanted fear. This was grassy. It was grassy means lot of grass were founded there, and wanted wear means some type of walking, some type of movements he needs. It needs because it is less traveled. Though as for that, the passing there had warned them really about the same. Means like poet, there were the different travelers also who just passed there and tried to accept the easier option. And both that morning equally lay in leaves. Means he just tell in the morning time both the roads equally driving have equally driving and oh, I kept the first for another day. He just tell the first option I just thought कि just it made for the other day. Some other day I just travel on that road, yet knowing how way leads on the way. Means he just understood कि whatever option, whatever road I am choosing, that is not appropriate. I doubted if I should ever come back. Means whatever choice, whatever road he just opted, there is a doubt कि if he would return or not. Understood? I shall be telling with this with a sigh. After some times, he just telling, he just informing to us with a psych with her experience. Somewhere edges and edges, hence two road diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled. In the last, he just concluding by telling that कि by watching the two roads, I just opted that road which is less travel. Which is less travel means which is the tough. It is tough than the other. And that has made all the difference. And whatever difference he found in his life, that is due to that particular choice. Okay, actually this poem is dealing with the concept of choice. Okay, the path that speaker is walking on, it's splitting in two directions, and he has to decide which way to go. This part is not just in the woods but also represents a decision in life. Whatever decision we have to make in our life, that will decide our future. What is you, what is I, what is other today, that is the result of one choice. That is the result of one better option. Something in his life is changing. Actually, due to that choice, the life has changed, forcing him to make a choice. Yet he has a really hard time deciding one moment. This is very means tough moment when we have to decide because in future depends on today. Whatever we did today, that will decide our future. So be a futuristic, we have to very careful regarding our future, regarding our decision. He thinks one way is better the next, means he just try to make the better option. Both paths are about the same. In a first glance, both the way are looking the same, whether or not he has a reason why. Means there is no any reason, there is no any logic. The choice he makes is better. Whatever choice, on the latter part, he just, on the concluding part, we come to know whatever choice the poet makes, that makes the all differences. Okay, this poem is well known and is all about the choices and the choices that shape us. It was our choice which shape our future. And as an American poet, his writing style is very simple. He just take the very simple examination and very common experience or ordinary experience. By that particular experience, he just try to give the highest message or the greatest message of the life. Understood? In this poem, we just find the poet in the start was confused to which road he has to travel. Understood? But he just see and analyze which is the better option, but he choose the tougher one, okay, which is less trouble. But after experiencing the both thing, on the latter part of the life, he realizes that whatever option he chooses, that is better, although that is tougher, but that is better option and it makes a future. Simply we can say the road not taken, जो पोयम है वो रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट के द्वारा लिखा गया है. इसमें एक रोड का एग्जाम्पल तो लिया गया है, लेकिन ये हमारे लाइफ के बिग ऑप्शंस, बिग डिसीजन को डिनोट करता है. अक्सर हम क्या करते हैं कि हम इजी ऑप्शंस चुनते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? इजी ऑप्शंस चुनते हैं, लेकिन उस इजी ऑप्शंस का हमें खामियाजा कब भुगतना पड़ता है? बाद में. कुछ समय के लिए अगर आप हार्ड वर्क करके और चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द चैलेंज ऑफ लाइफ. डोंट मीन्स कीप अवे योर सेल्फ विद द चैलेंजेस, कि इस रास्ते में, इस ऑप्शन में, इस डिसीजन में बहुत सारी कठिनाइयां हैं. वट एवर हार्डशिप यू हैव इन दैट वेज, लेकिन अगर आप कुछ दिन कठिनाइयाँ सह लेंगी तो उसका रिजल्ट आपको बाद में मिलेगा। इन योर लाइफ every time you have the option from means our common life, you have the option to read or to sleep, you have the option read or to play. But if you read today, if you study today, that will make the difference in your future. आज जो पढ़ेगा वो आगे कल क्या होगा, मतलब उसका फ्यूचर ब्राइट होगा, और आज जो सोएगा उसका फ्यूचर क्या होगा, डार्क होगा. तो एज अ स्टूडेंट्स और एज एनी वन, एज एनी इंडिविजुअल, वी हैव टू ब्राइटन आवर फ्यूचर, नॉट द डार्कनिंग आवर फ्यूचर. हमें अपने फ्यूचर को क्या करना है, सेव करना है. So this is the universal theme. How it is the universal theme? Because it is all about the decision of our life. Whatever option we choose in our life, that makes our fully difference. Okay, I hope the paraphrase meaning you understand. Okay, important words: diverse means separated, wood means jungle. Okay, and undergrowth means dense part of the forest, grassy, lot of grass, wanted wear means wanted some walking. Okay, means that is unused, that is why he wanted some wear. And this is the okay. I shall be telling with a sign. Sign means experience by understanding the somewhere edges and edges hence. By after time means by after the experience of the life, two roads diverse in the wood, two roads diverse in the world. उस जंगल में दो रास्ते बीते थे. I took one less travel by, मतलब कि उसने टफ ऑप्शन को चुना और he just got the difference in his life. Understood? The theme is very very clear to you, the expression is very very clear to you. I have already explained it in the online classes and live classes. I hope you understand the poem. Now in this way the first unit has been completed. You just complete your copy on time, and whatever problems you are facing in this lecture, you just ask me through the difference or various mode. Okay, so this is enough for today. Thank you.